Hi sweetie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a back strap or curtain strap. So let's see together. Take your snap hook, insert your hook and pull up loop, chain 1, insert your hook and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a single crochet. This is my 1, 2, 3, and the last time 4. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. Turn your work. Insert your hook into the third chain, back loop of third chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the fourth chain and pull up loop, fifth chain and pull up loop, sixth chain and pull up loop, next chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook in back loop of stitch and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the back loop of each stitch and pull up loop, and 9 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops. At the end, chain 1. Now crochet, chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Turn your work, skip 2 chains, insert your hook into the third chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the each chain and pull up loop, back loop of each chain. Then insert your hook into the last chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next 2 stitches and pull up loop. 9 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, then chain 1. Repeat again. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn your work, skip 2 chains, insert your hook in third chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook in each chain and pull up loop, back loop. Then 6, 7. Insert your hook into the next 2 stitches and pull up loop, back loop only, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains, and repeat again. Keep going. I reach my desired length, then chain 1. Take your snap hook, insert your hook and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Turn your work, insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook into the first stitch and loop, loop, then make a slab stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a slab stitch to join the snap hook. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then burn the macrame yarn. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. I'll be back very soon. Bye!